The Potensic C0 Mini Drone is an excellent choice for both beginner and intermediate drone enthusiasts, offering powerful features in a compact design. With its 3-axis gimbal, 4K UHD camera, and 6km image transmission, this brushless motor drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. The Potensic ATOM model boasts 29 minutes of flight time, GPS return to home, and visual tracking, making it perfect for travelers, hobbyists, and gift seekers. The level 5 wind resistance ensures stable flights, even in windy conditions, while the easy-to-use remote control and smart quickshot options provide a seamless flying experience. Key features of the Potensic C0 Mini Drone: 4K UHD camera, capture high-quality photos, 12MP, and videos, 4K at 30 frames per second, for professional-level content. 3-axis gimbal. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable, smooth footage, even during dynamic flights. 6km image transmission. Enjoy real-time HD video transmission up to 6 km, perfect for long-distance flying. Level 5 wind resistance. Fly confidently in wind speeds of up to level 5, ensuring stable performance outdoors. GPS and return to home. The GPS system ensures automatic return to home for safe and reliable flights, even when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Intelligent flight modes. Features include waypoints, visual tracking, and quickshots, allowing you to execute advanced shots with ease. 29-minute flight time. Each battery offers up to 29 minutes of flight time, giving you more time to capture the perfect shot. Great for travel and gifts. Compact size and lightweight design, under 249 g, make it portable and a perfect travel companion. Specifications. Model: Potensic ATOM. Camera: 4K UHD video recording, 12MP photo resolution. Battery: 7.4V lithium battery, up to 29 minutes flight time. Flight range: 6 km remote distance. Wind resistance: level 5. Weight: under 249 grams. Charging time: 1.5 hours. Motor: brushless motor. Flight modes: waypoints, GPS return to home, visual tracking, quickshots. Controller: for channel remote, app controlled. Included in the box: Potensic ATOM drone, remote controller, 3 batteries, fast charging hub, data cable, 2 spare propellers, 8x propeller blade screws, screwdriver, camera protective cover, carry bag, charger converter, EU, US, UK options. Perfect for travelers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts, the Potensic C0 Mini Drone provides high-quality aerial imagery and easy-to-use features, making it the ideal drone for a wide range of users. Whether you're looking for scenic shots, adventuring outdoors, or enjoying fun drone flying, the Potensic ATOM is the ultimate mini drone that delivers premium performance in a compact form. Perfect for aerial photography and videography with a 4K camera. Traveling with a lightweight drone under 249 g. Gift seekers looking for a fun, compact drone. Experience the Potensic C0 Mini Drone and take your drone flying to the next level. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.